This is me and Nekodah here, and we're trying to get this brightness to work, whatever. We're playing Silent Hill for the Room blind. Well, Nekodah is, I've played it before, but I'm not telling her anything that happens. He could not leave room 302.
Oh man, because I have to look at the ceiling fan again. Ah! Fucking cat! Okay. What's with this room? It's covered in blood and rust. Okay. Eh! Oh my god, it's a door.
Alright, we're back to playing Silent Hill 4 the Room, and it's still pretty bright, but I can't help that much, so I apologize! Oh, you can see it, actually. Maybe we can do this. You can see that. You can see it.
Creepy hole! Old creepy hole! It's really slow and methodic escalator. Oh, he's taking a nap. Oh shit, I'm on an escalator. Well, you want to sit on the escalator, you tell me.
Now you can escalate.
What the hell do I do?
That's your map. Get used to controls here. You buy it.
Ah! Stupid!
Then you put it. See up there's your health.
Oh, stop it. Keep kicking the butt. Oh yeah! Ninja with the butt. Oh man, that was some force. There's a Jerry Maguire in the building. Hey, there's something. I really like how this guy walks really slow.
Who are you?
Ooh, hi. He's holding on the building all nonchalant.
I'll do a special favor for you later.
Sex! Prostitute. Let's meet you finder. Way out of here. So I've gotta go down this creepy hallway and help her find the way out of here. It's her dream, but she doesn't know the way out. Purge, bitch, purge! It's creaky. Jesus! God damn, that was crazy! Ew! They're like caressing it with their tongues. They're cannibalistic. Ew, what am I doing? Ew, Kayla, ew. I'm trying! Damn it!
Either R2 or R1. And hit them. You have to stomp on them to finally kill them.
Bitch! Oh, fucking bitch! Don't bite me! I'll beat the fuck out of you! Damn it!
You look like X by it.
Damn it! Damn it! Did I just go in a building? I didn't mean to. What happened to you? But she came in here to puke. Where the fuck did she go? Oh, fuck, you need to die.
Yeah,
There, I just kicked your ass down, bitch. Boom! What the fuck is that?
Oh, yeah.
Feel the wrath of my pipe! Lose your daddy! That's right, I am. What the hell is that? What the fuck? Is that like a giant bug? Yeah! I'm gonna test it on the ground first. Oh, you fucking taints! Take the pistol bullet. Yeah. Ammo. Oh, I didn't know a bullet would be ammo. Thanks for the share. Why are these game of stupid angles? Yeah! 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 Pretty cool. Oh, I remember killing these bitches. I heard something. Yes, I'm gonna go in your hole.
Another dream.
Oh, this is one big mindfuck. I just dreamt that I was, in this place, these weird fucking monsters that tried to kill me! It's no big deal. No, I'm keeping my pad, asshole. You ain't taking my fucking pipe. Stupid chest. I would straighten my dresser. Oh dear! No shit! Yeah, I'll take the fucking pistol! Next to something that looks creepy. Hello! Is that a fucking bunny on her bed? What's that ding? Is that my phone? The phone! It's my answering machine! Son of a bitch!
If you need a token, there's one here.
I need a token? What? I'm not going to Chuck E. Cheese. Why the fuck do I need a token?
You count the handprints now.
Move!